Hi guys! If you're thinking about buying the Logitech Z533 60 watts stereo speakers and subwoofer 2.1 Sage Renewed, be sure to check out the purchase link waiting for you in the description below. Great audio can completely change how you experience your favorite content, but getting powerful sound usually comes with a high price tag. That's why the Logitech Z533 continues to be one of the most popular budget-friendly speaker systems. Even as a renewed product, it offers impressive performance that easily outclasses built-in laptop and monitor speakers. This is a classic 2.1 channel setup featuring two compact satellite speakers paired with a dedicated front-facing subwoofer. The result is fuller, richer audio with noticeably deeper bass and a wider soundstage. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, streaming YouTube, or listening to your favorite playlists, everything feels more immersive. The biggest strength of the Z533 is its bass performance. The front-facing subwoofer delivers deep, punchy low frequencies that add excitement to action scenes, explosions, drum beats, and electronic music. Unlike many budget speakers, the bass doesn't completely overpower the rest of the audio. Voices remain clean, instruments sound detailed, and dialogue stays easy to understand. For music lovers, this speaker system handles multiple genres surprisingly well. Pop, rock, jazz, hip-hop, EDM, and podcasts all benefit from balanced sound with enough power to fill a bedroom, office, or gaming space. It's the kind of upgrade you immediately notice after replacing basic desktop speakers. One feature that makes daily use much easier is the wired control pod. Instead of reaching behind the speaker system every time you want to adjust the volume, everything is right on your desk. You get smooth volume control, independent bass adjustment, and a convenient headphone jack for private listening whenever you need it. Setup couldn't be much simpler. Connect the speakers, plug in the subwoofer, attach your preferred audio source, and you're ready to enjoy better sound within minutes. It works well with desktop PCs, laptops, gaming consoles, TVs, tablets, and other compatible devices using a standard 3.5mm connection. Now, let's talk about the renewed version, because that's where many buyers have questions. A professionally renewed product has been inspected, cleaned, and tested to ensure proper functionality before being sold again. That means you can often enjoy nearly the same experience as a brand new unit while saving a considerable amount of money. Design is another area where Logitech keeps things simple. The speakers feature a clean, modern appearance that fits naturally into almost any setup without taking up excessive desk space. They look understated, but they feel solid enough for everyday use. If you're a gamer, the added bass gives racing games, shooters, and open-world adventures much more impact. Movie lovers will appreciate stronger cinematic sound, while anyone working from home can enjoy clearer audio during meetings, videos, and everyday entertainment. Of course, it's important to keep expectations realistic. This isn't a premium studio monitoring system, and it doesn't include built-in Bluetooth connectivity. But for the price, especially as a renewed product, it delivers excellent overall value that few competitors can match. If your current speakers sound flat, quiet, or lifeless, the Logitech Z533 offers one of the easiest upgrades you can make. Powerful bass, clear vocals, user-friendly controls, and dependable performance all come together in a package that's designed for everyday listening without stretching your budget. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And if you're ready to upgrade your desktop audio, don't forget to check the purchase link provided in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.